Haitian Wells, Anglo stocks. Shorty Blount beans and Eritrean fleas. Gordon and Ramsey cooking up rum. Now that JT's Glock is ahead.
Saquon Bark, Genghis Blart. Racetane crime and Optimus Prime. Fancy a biscuit with a Russian bear. Quintessential wares.
Bilal Kulabai dropping burn-esque dimes on Danny's Mexican face. Dingo Quandel is a brick shell to go rickin' in an equine-esque sleigh.
Pakistan phenotypes Rick up Tyrese. JT Robbins Glock. Riz and Pringles and paparazzi. Voracious Raris are shocked.
Rackin' round, shack in town, taxin' the sack. Ernie Sublime and Jalen Suggs live. Brickin' and Rickin' in Corey Doolin hair. Johnny in a chair.
Rice plantations full of ephesians. Iraq and Iraq is fake. Alpha drill beat is a French lick. I'm drunk driving in a foreign state. Pop a new Mongol Morse blue zucchini. Foreign up new Shanglocks. Chicks and a Rizzler in the Anglican Church. That's the grotesque parody. That's the Epicure encounter. That's the ominous storm cloud. Did you want to do that? Okay. I just went.